Hello students, good morning all of you. Today I Ravindra Mohan Mishra from Sri Jagdamba Sanskrit College Batho am taking the class of Shastri second. In the chain of paragraph writing, today I am discussing about the need of vocational education. As we know, education is primary things in everyone's life. Without education, man is nothing. Education is necessary. That is why our government is taking giving much more efforts on education. As we know, India is a big country, but 90% Indians are engaged in manual labor. However, our present educational system does not give due importance to the dignity of labor. The children, therefore, should be taught the dignity of labor from the very beginning of education. Every student must learn while he or she learns. Only then India will be able to reach the target of total literacy. Parents cannot afford huge expenditure on education. To implement right to education requires enormous amount of money. So the need of the hour is vocational education. Students should be trained in various skills so that they may not remain unemployed after their education is over. If it is not done, our universities, colleges, and schools will remain only degree giving factories. It arouses, arouses the problem in every walks of life, but it is more in the field of unemployment. As we know, employment in our country is unincreasing by leaps and bounds. Unemployment is very very problem for our country. It is a burning problem of our own life. The meanings of unemployment must be wiped out if the country is to become a developed country. Both rural and urban employment are posing a great threat to the social, economic, and political stability of our country. The factors responsible for unemployment are many in number. our colleges and universities are producing educated youth without creating opportunities for their stable employment. There is a lack of vocational education everywhere. Degrees without jobs create frustration among students. In rural areas, people have to live hand to mouth. They have not work for the whole year. Naxalism is the product of the rural unemployment. Our population is increasing, but jobs are shrinking. The government has taken many steps to solve this problem. Vocational courses have been started in a big way. Rural Job Guarantee Scheme has been launched. Students are being motivated to start their own business. However, a lot is needed to be done in this field. Only rules and regulations are not sufficient for eradicating of such problem. Hence, we can say that this is the time for the need of vocational education broadly. Thanks.